Magandang araw! Pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay addition and subtraction of dissimilar fraction. Ano nga ba ang dissimilar fraction? Ito ay fractions na may iba't ibang denominators. Halimbawa, 4/15, 3/7, 7/20, and 4/5. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang mga denominators nito ay magkakaiba. Kaya ito ay example ng dissimilar fractions. At gagamit tayo ng butterfly method sa pag-add at pag-subtract ng dissimilar fractions. Halimbawa, number 1, multiply natin ang 1 times 5. And that is 5. Then, 2 times 3, you have 6. Then, 3 times 5, you have 15. So, 5, add sa 6, the answer is 11. Then, copy the denominator, 15. Ang ating final answer ay 11/15. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang method na ito ay makakabuo ng parang isang butterfly. Number 2, 3/4 plus 8, 11th. So, 3 times 11, the answer is 33. Then, 8 times 4, the answer is 32. Then, i-multiply natin ang 4 at 11. And that is 44. 33 plus 32, the answer is 65. Copy the denominator, 44. At ito ay i-convert muna natin sa mixed number. Paano gawin? Divide lang natin ang 65 sa 44. And that is 1. 1 times 44 is 44. Then proceed sa subtraction. 65 minus 44, the answer is 21. So, ang 1, ito ang whole number natin, galing sa quotient. And 21, galing sa remainder. At 44 ay galing sa divisor. Ang ating final answer ay 1 and 21/44. Number 3. Ito, i-add naman natin ang dalawang mixed number na may magkaibang denominator. Unang gagawin, i-change ang unang fraction sa improper fraction. I-multiply lang ang 4 sa 2, that is 8, plus 3. Ang sagot ay 11. Next, i-convert naman natin ang 5½ sa improper fraction. So, 2 times 5, the answer is 10. Plus 1, the answer is 11. Then, copy the denominator. Ngayon, magpuproceed na tayo sa butterfly method. I-multiply ang 11 times 2. And that is 22. Next is 11 at 4. At ang sagot ay 44. Next, 4 and 2. And the answer is 8. So, 22 plus 44. The answer is 66. Then, copy the denominator, 8. I-divide natin ang 66 sa 8 para ito ay maging mixed number since mas mataas ang ating numerator kesa sa denominator. So, 66 divided by 8, the answer is 8. Times 8, the answer is 64. Then, proceed sa subtraction. 66 minus 64, the answer is 2. Ang ating quotient, ito ang magiging whole number. Ang remainder ay magiging numerator. At ang divisor ay magiging denominator. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang 2 over 8 ay pwede pang i-lowest term. I-divide ito sa common multiple na 2. So, 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. 8 divided by 2, the answer is 4. Ang ating final answer ay 8 and 1/4. Number 4. 9/7 minus 2/5. Same process using the butterfly method. 9 times 5, the answer is 45. 2 times 7, the answer is 14. Then, 5 times 7, the answer is 35. Proceed tayo sa subtraction ng numerator. 45 minus 14, the difference is 31. And just copy the denominator, 35. Ito ay wala ng lowest term, kaya ang 31 over 35 ay final answer na. Next, number 5. 9 over 10 minus 5 over 6. Multiply 9 times 6, that is 54. Then, 5 times 10, the answer is 50. Then, i-multiply natin ang 10 at 6. And our answer here is 60. Proceed sa subtraction ng numerator. 54 minus 50, ang sagot ay 4. Then, copy natin ang denominator na 60. Ano kaya ang common multiple nito? Correct, that is 4. So, 4 divided by 4, the answer is 1. Next, 60 divided by 4, the answer is 15. At wala na itong lowest term, kaya ang 1 over 15 ay final answer na. Next, number 6. Negative 1 over 6 minus 2/7. Using the butterfly method, negative 1 times 7, the answer is negative 7. Then, 2 times 6, the answer is 12. Then, i-multiply ang denominator. 7 times 6, the answer is 42. Then, perform natin ang operations sa numerator. So, negative 7 minus 12 is the same with negative 7 plus negative 12. At ang sagot ay negative 19. Then, copy the denominator 42. Wala ng lowest term ang negative 19 over 42, kaya ito ang sagot. Next, number 7. Negative 3/5 minus 1 and 1/4. So, ito ay i-convert muna natin sa improper fraction. That is, 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1. Ulitin ko, 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1. The answer is 5. Then, copy the denominator, 4. Then, proceed tayo sa butterfly method. So, negative 3 over 4, the answer is negative 12. Then, 5 times 5, the answer is 25. 5 times 4, the answer is 20. So, we have here negative 12 minus 25 over 20. So, same lang po, negative 12 minus 25 is the same with negative 12 plus negative 25. And our answer is negative 37 over 20. Next, since ito ay improper or mataas ang numerator kesa sa denominator, i-convert natin ito sa mixed number. So, 37 divided by 20, we have 1. 1 times 20 is 20. Then, proceed to subtraction. 37 minus 20, the answer is 17. So, kung mapapansin nyo, when you divide different sign, the answer is negative. So, we have here negative 1, then 17 over 20. Now, let us have a practice. Perform the indicated operation. Number 1, 4 over 15 plus 4 over 5. So, here, we will multiply 4 times 5 is 20. Then, 15 plus 4 is 60. So, 20 plus 60 is 80 over 75. Then, i-convert lang natin sa mix. Final answer is 1 and 1/15. Number 2, the answer is 53 over 63. Number 3, the answer is 11 over 63. Number 4, the answer is negative 13 over 15. Maraming salamat po. Next lesson, multiplication and division of fraction.